wa barakatuh. I am Marblal of class 6. Today I am very excited to tell you about the compilation of Holy Quran. As you know, the whole Quran was sent down in the night of Qadr in the holy month of Ramzan. Then the verses of Holy Quran were being revealed on Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam from one time to another. Over the period of 23 years, few companions were given duty to write down the verses of Holy Quran just after revelation. After revealing, Prophet had been instructing the companions to write down the ayat at its place in a specific surah. They were writing carefully and tirelessly on bones, leaves, leathers, and stones, etc. Now, let us come to understand how this revelation was collected at one place and compiled. The Holy Quran was compiled in three phases. In first phase, it was collected at one place in order, as each ayah of every surah was kept in order at its specific place. And this happened in the life of Prophet Muhammad itself. In the reign of Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu, very tragic battle of Umama happened where many of Hafiz were martyred. After this battle, Umar radiallahu anhu came to Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu to discuss about the compilation of Holy Quran. Abu Bakr wasn't ready to do something that the Prophet didn't do, but Allah opened his heart to the idea, like he did with Umar radiallahu anhu. So they called upon Zaid bin Sabit radiallahu anhu and requested him to compile the Quran, as he used to live the most with the Prophet. He collected material that contained Quranic material. The purpose of compiling the Quran was to collect all the surah at one place in a book. That's how the Quran became a book. During the caliphate of third caliph, Usman bin Affan, may God be pleased with him, he realized that after the expansion of Islamic caliphate, people from different regions were reciting the Quran in slightly different ways. To avoid any confusion and keep the Quran in its pure form, Usman bin Affan ended the conflict by preparing several copies of Holy Quran and spreading them across the country in the dialect of Quraysh. The use of Fatha, Zamma and Kasra were introduced by Khalil bin Ahmed al-Farahidi on the order of Hajjaj bin Yusuf. So the compilation of Holy Quran was not an easy process. It took a lot of effort, hardship and dedication. Today we are privileged that we have Holy Quran with us. We should recite it in its proper way. We should think upon its messages and we should practically follow its instruction so that we can make our heart pure and life happy. Thank you so much for your time.